Welcome to the best picks. The best Neutrogena Under Eye Cream is probably one of the most talked about skincare products, and for good reason. The skin around our eyes is incredibly delicate, making it prone to showing signs of aging and fatigue. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of under eye creams, specifically focusing on Neutrogena's offering, to help you decide if it's the right choice for your skincare routine. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream. This eye cream is designed to target those pesky fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. It's a rapid repair solution, perfect for your daily anti-aging routine. It's the perfect addition to your skincare. The fragrance-free formula includes retinol and hyaluronic acid. This combination hydrates and moisturizes the delicate under-eye area. It helps to brighten and even the skin tone. The anti-aging cream uses pure retinol, a form of vitamin A. This ingredient is scientifically proven to be superior. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping moisture to rejuvenate the skin. The unscented cream features a soothing complex to nourish the skin. It minimizes potential irritation, making it suitable for daily use. It's also free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. This anti-wrinkle retinol eye cream works quickly for visible results. It's the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. You can see the difference with consistent use. What we like. This cream is packed with retinol and hyaluronic acid, a powerful combination to combat aging. It helps to fade fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking rejuvenated. If you're looking for a proven solution to address those early signs of aging, you should consider this one. What people say. After a few months it looks like it does what it says. Not a miracle product, but makes a small improvement, which is what to expect from drugstore products. This cream is absorbed quickly and doesn't leave skin feeling greasy. Within a week I definitely noticed a difference in the puffiness and dark circles under my eyes. I used morning and night. Mes rides, enfin mes petit please su mesuont vraiment diminu. Après il me semble chu il un effet instantané. CS data que quan j'en mets tout se licite après l'effet estampe. Meme si dans l'ensemble mes rituels sont moins profonds. Number 4. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Under Eye Cream. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Cream. It's designed to hydrate and smooth the delicate skin around your eyes. This cream will keep your under-eye area looking refreshed. The key ingredient is purified hyaluronic acid. It's a hydrator that's naturally found in your skin. It works to bind to water and hold it within your skin's surface. This gel cream is lightweight, and it's free of dyes, fragrances, and oil. It absorbs quickly, like a gel, but has the moisturizing power of a cream. It won't clog your pores. Use it daily, morning and night, as part of your skincare routine. It boosts your skin's hydration level and locks in moisture all day long. This will keep the eye area looking smooth and hydrated. The Hydro Boost Eye Cream is suitable for both women and men. Pair it with other Hydro Boost products for all-over hydration. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare. What we like. This product focuses on intense hydration with its unique gel cream formula. It absorbs quickly, providing a smooth base for makeup while keeping your under-eye area moisturized all day. If you have dry skin or want a lightweight, hydrating solution, it is the perfect choice. What people say. I have used this product for a few years. At an older age, I don't know if it has actually helped, but it does not irritate my eczema around my eyes, as many other products do. Muy bien producto te reduce las apariencias de las ojeras del rostro, lo aplico todas las nas después, de lavar el rostro. I really like this eye product. Since needing to change to hypoallergenic, I am pleasantly surprised by its effectiveness. Number 3. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plus Eye Cream. Introducing the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plus Eye Cream. This cream is designed to target dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. It helps to improve the look of your skin. This eye cream is formulated with a peptide complex, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine. These ingredients work together to hydrate and revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes. They are essential for healthy skin. The fragrance-free formula is free of parabens, phthalates, and dyes. It is also never tested on animals. This makes it a gentle and effective choice for your skincare routine. From a dermatologist-recommended brand, this eye cream is a great addition to your daily skincare routine. Use it to target fine lines and improve the look of your skin. You will love the results. Apply a small amount of the cream in the morning and at night around the cleansed eye area. Gently massage it into your skin. Remember to save the carton for important information and cautions. What we like. It combines caffeine and peptides to target dark circles and puffiness. The formula is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. If you're struggling with dark circles and puffiness, this is the one to try. What people say. Has great hydration, stays on for a long time, and I love how it feels on my skin. By the time I used it 2 weeks, my dark circles were almost completely gone, and I no longer had to ice under both eyes every stinking morning. It feels very good and cooling while giving you a slight tingling sensation due to the caffeine in the product. Number 2. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. Introducing Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. This cream is designed to visibly reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. It's formulated with retinol to help fight those signs of aging. The anti-wrinkle formula is clinically proven to make your skin feel smoother. It contains retinol, which is known to combat fine lines, dullness, wrinkles, and dark spots. You'll see a noticeable difference. Specifically made for the delicate eye area, this cream helps fade crow's feet. It brightens an even skin tone, smoothing fine lines and texture. It also targets the look of dark circles. This eye cream features dermatologist-proven retinol and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin around your eyes. It's also free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It's the perfect addition to your daily anti-aging skincare routine. This retinol eye cream is proven to deliver visible results quickly. It's the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. What we like. This cream uses retinol and hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots. It brightens an even skin tone, giving you a more youthful look. If you like a product that offers multiple benefits, you should consider this one. What people say. So far I've not had any bad reactions. I was putting a concealer under my eyes, but just using this has seemed to lighten my dark circles. Brightens eye area, good moisturization. This product by Neutrogena is amazing, very good for lines and wrinkles around the eye area. Use it every day and night, seeing a big difference. Number 1. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Eye Cream. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Eye Cream. This cream is designed to target wrinkles and dark circles around your eyes. It's a perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. This eye cream features a retinol formula with patented technology. It also includes a micropeptide to complement the retinol. You can expect dramatic results. The anti-aging moisturizer is hypoallergenic and suitable for all skin tones. It's specially formulated to be fragrance-, paraben-, mineral oil-, dye, and phthalate-free. This targeted eye cream provides smoother, more hydrated skin instantly. You'll see an improved look of crow's feet and elasticity in just 1 week. From a dermatologist-recommended brand, this eye cream is perfect for your at-home self-care experience. Use it daily for the best results. You will see an improved look of dark circles in 4 weeks. What we like. This product uses a retinol formula with patented technology and micropeptide to target wrinkles and dark circles. It provides smoother, more hydrated skin instantly. If you are looking for a product with dramatic results, you should consider this one. What people say. This stuff works extremely well. I was starting to get crow's feet a few years ago, and after a few weeks they were gone. 3 years on and I'm still using it, still no crow's feet. I have actually seen improvement after going through 1 container now. The formula is gentle, even for sensitive skin, and I appreciate that it's free of fragrance, dyes, phthalates, and parabens. It absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, and a little goes a long way. This eye cream has definitely helped brighten and smooth the delicate eye area. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.